2019, I took a risk and quit my job to start my own business. To become inspired and motivated, I decided to take a trip across the country by way of train. I visited cities I've never been to, saw parts of the country you can only see from the rails, and ate foods that, well, I don't want to talk about it. Here's what I saw, here's what I did. Join me on my adventure. Good morning and welcome to day 2 of the trip across the country. I got up at 7 a.m. for breakfast, and then I realized in Chicago it's actually 6 a.m. so I don't know what I'm going to do. So this is the breakfast. They've actually microwaved me up a ham, egg, and cheese sandwich, orange juice, cereal, and a blueberry muffin. Alright guys, I actually think I'm going to try to take a shower on the train. This is going to be weird, but what the heck? What else am I going to do? Well, that was quite the experience. There was a lady going crazy trying to break the door down in the friggin' shower. It was weird. I'm still a little wet. I wasn't sure what to do. I got out of there as quick as possible. Just stopped in Chicago, so we're on to the next leg of this adventure. This is Union Station in Chicago. What you talking about, Willis? The touristy areas of Chicago are a ghost town in the winter because it's so freaking cold here. I hate it so much. I'd like my steak medium rare. Yes, there are actually beaches in Chicago. In the summer, people go swimming in the water. There's volleyball, there's all sorts of fun activities, but in the winter, it's all frozen. I'm in Chicago, so I had to stop and get a hot dog. So I came over here to check out Fatsos' last stand. I got a Fatso burger and a Chicago style hot dog. all the ingredients that I hate so much all on one hot dog, but I'm gonna try it anyway, even with the pickle. It's so sour and so terrible. The food here is great. I couldn't finish the Chicago dog, but the burger was excellent. And I'll look past the fact that their logo is clearly stolen from Captain Crunch. Next up is Forbidden Root Brewery. It was recommended to me by the beer king of Chicago, Chris White. Go check out his weekend beer tours. Now let's go get some samples. Strawberry, basil, hefeweizen, probably my favorite. This is the Amtrak Metropolitan Lounge in Chicago. A little veggie and cheese plate, Sierra Mist. Next up is the train to Denver, boarding right now. So on this train, I'm actually on the lower level. Last time I was upstairs. I think the views are better from upstairs, but it's the same kind of room here, and it is going to be another horrible night of sleep. We get a little bit of a better meal, not a microwave meal. Well, it might still be microwave, but it's a lot better. Here's the dining car. Right now we're in Omaha, Nebraska with a quick pit stop. Another day in the books. Tomorrow I will be getting into Denver. Earlier today when I got on the train, the police singled me out and asked me questions for 10 minutes and looked through all of my bags for some reason, and then seemed disappointed when they found nothing but a bunch of old underwear. We'll see how tomorrow goes in Denver, so good night.